Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to use the distinct on your dynamic Salesforce table using the form Titan edit. So we're going to insert a table here, and let's say we want to bring in opportunity products, and we're going to call this Optimize. And let's say product name, and we'll say quantity and price. Let's map this. So product and we'll set it to name and quantity, and let's say total price, and let's head over to the distinct. So we're going to click distinct, and we're saying distinct by, and let's set the distinct by the product ID. So whenever you have two of the same products in the same opportunity, I don't want to bring it in. I want to bring it only once. So I'm going to click insert table, and let's head over to my Salesforce. And I'm going to head over to my opportunities. Let's go to Edge SLA and take a look at my products. So let's view all. Let's do another of the product twice. So we have the 100 kW with the quantity of 7, and we're going to do add product, and we're going to add the same one and hit next, and let's do quantity of 1 and save. Now let's head back to my opportunity. Edge SLA, just grab the opportunity ID, and we're going to refresh our condition here, the filter condition, and we're going to say opportunity ID equals our opportunity, and hit save, and we'll hit preview now. So we should see our product, the 100 kW, just once and not twice. So we're missing the 7 because I did distinct by the product ID. So I had the same product twice, and this is why I do not see it. If I head back to my table conditions and take off the distinct and save, so I should see the 100 kW twice. So here is the 100 kW. I have the quantity of 7, and here again with the quantity of 1. And this is how it's done.